COVID-19 numbers are once again beginning to spike across the Miami Valley, even though some community members say they're getting used to the idea of living with the virus.
Unfortunately, it's an attitude that's understandable because this is not something that most people have ever had to deal with.
Miami Valley resident Jeff Seidel says like most people across the U.S., he was nervous when news of the pandemic first broke.
Towards the beginning, it was very concerning because we didn't really know much about it, just know that it can cause death. And so definitely doing a lot of social distancing, staying home more.
But with businesses bringing employees back to work and people growing fatigued of social distancing, some community members felt they couldn't continue to uphold the strict guidelines.
I sanitize my hands a lot, don't touch doorknobs, but I'm a lot more relaxed on it now.
Miami Valley resident Cynthia Klein, who's in her 70s, says as time went on, she even became comfortable going back to work.
You learn to deal with things and adjust. I feel much more confident now.
But Associate Chief Medical Officer at Miami Valley Hospital, Dr. Robert Colon, says it's important people remember not to let their guards down, especially as people move indoors for the cooler months.
When we talk about adjusting to life with COVID, it does not mean becoming comfortable with COVID being around and going back to your normal activities as we would last year. That's what's getting us in trouble.
And he says moving into cold and flu season, it's even more important to adhere to health guidelines.
Masks work, but they work best when people wear them adequately, which means it's got to cover your mouth and your nose. Can't be down at the chin. It can't be having the nose hanging out. And it's best that we wear them when there's anyone around us.
He says community members should still be actively and consistently practicing social distancing and engaging in good hand hygiene. For more information on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19, you can check out the links below. Lauren Mixon, 2 News, working for you.